Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about animals based on place they live. We have learned about terrestrial animals and their adaptations, the ways they live, and different ways they protect themselves. We have come to know about the aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, aerial animals. Now, today we are going to learn about the eating habits of animals. We'll start with herbivores, plant eating animals. Herbivores may eat leaves, fruits, roots, or even tree bark. They usually need to eat often during the day in order to have enough energy. So, for example, for herbivores, we have goat, rabbit, elephant, plant eating animals. Next animal that we have got is carnivores. They only eat meat. These animals are usually fairly large and they have to eat other animals in order to obtain enough energy. Some carnivores eat insects and bugs. Some eat some animals such as rats or fish, while other carnivores eat bigger animals such as wolves or even buffalo. Next we have is omnivores. They can eat both plants, materials, and meat. They can get their food more easily than other animals because they can eat more types of food than either herbivores or carnivores. Example, you have is monkey, chimpanzee, or bears. Scavengers are consumers that don't usually kill for their own food. Instead, they feed on the remains of living things that are killed by other consumers. Crows, ravens, and housefly larvae maggots are examples of scavengers. A very important topic we need to know about parasites and parasitology. A parasite is an organism that lives inside a host, that is inside, or on a host, that is ectoparasite, that is outside. So when we were in our mother's womb, we were acting as a parasite. So for ectoparasite, that is outside, a best example would be leech, lice. So let us understand a little bit introduction, a concept on what are hosts. All right, so a host is an organism that another organism or bacteria lives in or on. The parasite's benefits at the expense of the host. The host parasite relationship may be benign, irritating, or in many cases pathogenic, may be harmful, or it may be benefiting the host. Every animal is subject to parasitism by a number of species. So each and every time the parasites they dwell into our body also, some parasites are good for our health, some parasites they may not be healthy. So best example of parasites that we have in our body is if you don't wash your hair, then you get lice. Lice acts as a parasite. You get bed bugs. Bed bugs also acts as a parasites, right? So they depend on the host, that is us. So children, for today's assignment, you have to explain the following terms in one sentence with the help of examples. You can also refer the book